Happy Monday, everybody. I just got this really cool almond cow, and it makes all kinds of like nut milk, almond milk, oat milk, which is my favorite. And you can even make like all these really cool recipes with the leftover pulp. And I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is. It's like the best investment ever. So I made oat milk the first few times and it was amazing, but I started noticing that the oats, like the milk was getting a little bit slimy over the course of a few days. So did some research, and it turns out if you use the enzyme amylase, it helps preserve it. So since I've been doing that, it's been lasting longer. So that's a tip for you guys. So we've got all of our mixture in this cup, and now all you've got to do is attach this to it like that, and then secure it, put it on, and then literally 60 seconds later you've got oat milk, like magic. I've been making smaller amounts at a time just so it's fresher. But I mean, this thing is like huge. You can make like a lot. But yeah, and then you just get a glass and yum. Like, oh, it smells so good. Yummy, amazing oat milk in 60 seconds. Perfection. And then you get to pour yourself a cold glass of fresh oat milk. So good. And you're not like paying an arm and a leg. Like, I go through oat milk so fast, so this is perfect.